In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva AI to design anything with text prompts. Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Canva AI to design anything using text prompts. We'll move step by step so you can follow along easily and start creating visuals in just a few minutes. First, open Canva. You can use the web version or the app, and once your Canva homepage is visible, you're ready to go. On the left sidebar, look for the option labeled Canva AI. This is your hub for AI-powered tools that help you create visuals faster and more creatively. Next, click Magic Media. Magic Media is the section that turns your words into visuals. Here, you'll choose what kind of content you want Canva to generate. You can pick image if you want photos or illustrations, perfect for thumbnails, social posts, or backgrounds. Choose graphics if you're after icons, vectors, or design elements to layer into a layout. Select video if you need short, AI-generated clips that can give your design some motion. And choose 3D for 3D-style visuals that add depth and a modern look. Now, in the text prompt box, type exactly what you want to create. Be clear and descriptive so Canva understands your vision. For example, you could write, "A colorful YouTube thumbnail with bold text and a modern style." Adding details like colors, mood, or style helps the AI get closer to what you have in mind. Think about the purpose of your design and who it's for, and include those clues in your prompt. When your prompt looks good, click Generate. Give it a moment to process. Canva will produce a set of options based on your description. You'll see multiple results, each with a slightly different interpretation. So take a second to compare them and pick the one that best matches your idea. Once you find a result you like, select it and add it to your design. You can click to insert it directly onto your canvas or drag it into place. From there, you can resize, reposition, and combine it with your existing layout, text, or branding to complete your design. And that's how you use Canva AI to design anything with text prompts using Magic Media. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.